Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Life Learnings. My name is Preeti. I'm super excited and want to thank you very much for all the support that you have given to my channel. Friends, those who have yet not subscribed to my channel or are new to my channel, kindly support my channel by subscribing to it. You just need to click on subscribe. It is absolutely free and you must press the bell icon as that will notify you whenever I upload my videos. Friends, my videos are very different as I try to give you different kinds of exercises, methods and techniques to work on yourself and to work on manifesting your goals and desires. So do watch this video till the end, as I'm sure by watching a 5-minute video like this, you'll be able to have a huge breakthrough in your energy field and things will start manifesting quickly in your life. In today's video, I'm going to speak to you about the law of attraction. To all of you who are on this transformational journey of helping yourself, where you're working on yourself to evolve yourself, to make your life conditions better, to have a better lifestyle, I'm sure you're trying to apply the law of attraction to achieve whatever you want. My today's video is actually inspired by the book The Secret, as the book The Secret explains that how by using 4 steps you can actually achieve what you want. So this video is going to actually cover the first part. This is part 1 and I will be making a sequel, part 2, part 3 and part 4 also. The part 2 will cover the believing part. The part 3 would be talking to you about how you receive or how you feel when you receive something. And the 4th part would be the gratitude part. The part 1 is the asking part, which I will cover today. In the asking, you need to actually know what you want to ask for. Simply like when you go to a hotel or a restaurant and you want to order something from the menu, you need to at least know what you want to order before you ask the waiter to bring it to you, correct? So today here I'm going to give you an exercise by which you will actually be able to identify and be very specific in knowing what you want. Because that's the first and the most important criteria of the law of attraction. The law of attraction only works if you are very specific about what you want. Like if you want a car, you need to be very specific about the color, the interiors, the brand or the make, whatever you want to order. You have to be very, very specific. Because friends, we all have wants and the same kind of wants. That is money, stability, peace, happiness, good relationships, a good big house, success. Tell me, who doesn't want it? Everyone wants the same wants, right? So why is it that the universe is not giving the same thing to everyone? The reason is because you're not specific. Your goals, your desires have to be very, very specific. Before you put it forth to the universe, you need to be very sure of what is it that you exactly want. Now quickly take a notebook or a book or a pen or a paper. But give yourself these 5 minutes, as this is going to change your life. You actually need to think and prioritize as to what is it that you want. What is it that is your priority? There may be 10 things, but you need to choose one thing right now and we'll do the exercise with that one thing. So you may say, I want to be successful. You can write it down. Now, you need to ask yourself a question. You need to add 2 words before this sentence. Why do? So once you put these 2 words, why do, I want to be successful. Now that's where the churning in the brain will start happening. You will start analyzing why. Why is it that you want to be successful? Now start writing it down quickly. Just start writing it down. Keep writing, keep writing, keep writing till you actually understand why is it that you want to be successful. Is it that you want to be famous, you want more money, you want to feel worthy of yourself, or you want to make a name for yourself, or what is the reason? Reason it out, analyze it out. So actually when you identify why you want something, that's when you become different from the other person. Because your reason for wanting success and my reason for wanting success is going to be completely different. It's not going to be the same. And that is when you're going to be specific. But believe me friends, when you do this exercise, pause right now, start writing it down. Keep writing till the end. Keep writing and writing and writing till you feel content about what you have written. You may realize that you may be wanting success just to be feeling self-worthy. So now you can simply cut it off from the list of being wanting that, and you can start working on being self-worthy. The next step would be to put a why before why don't I have success. The reason you are asking for something is because you don't have it, correct? So when you start analyzing, you'll start reasoning that why is it that you're yet not successful? What are the fears and the blocks that have been holding you till now to be successful? It could be that you've taken wrong decisions till now, or it could be that you are not qualified enough to do a project that you wanted to do. So here you will be able to actually understand if there's any action that you need to take, then it is also important to take that action. Like suppose I want to be successful in a particular field, but I'm not qualified in that field. I need to upgrade my skills, I need to have the right tools, and I need to prepare myself. So this actually is like a cleansing process. The analyzing, the reasoning actually is just to make you aware. It makes your conscious mind aware of what it is. It connects you to your inner self being. So let us wind up this video and let us understand what is it that you really want. Once you're done with doing this exercise, automatically something will open out from within. In your energy field, you may not realize it, but it will happen. While you do this exercise, let your subconscious mind work and be ready with the first criteria as to what is it that you really want. And friends, I'm open to any kind of discussion on this. You can simply post your questions in the comment box. I will definitely answer. And in the next video, we will definitely work on the believing part as to how now you can believe, and we will take it forward from there. Thank you so much. I'm sending you loads of love and light in your life. Thank you.